I just hovered it there for a while to see how long the battery would last, and the battery's actually going flat, and it's doing a low battery auto land, and just fantastic because it did actually work as per instruction. So it's just finding its way down now. And then it should just do an auto shutdown, which is fantastic because the fail-safe does actually work. Then it'll go into an auto shutdown. And there you have it. Fantastic. Flywing, fantastic job. The H1 controller has certainly delivered. Unbelievable. Thank you.